Go.
We're gonna start with our lean ground pork. To that, we've already added about a cup of our quick cooking oats, a little bit of minced onion. We're gonna add in an apple. So we've kept the skin on, we've chopped up a whole apple. We've got some minced green pepper as well, an egg. Got a little bit of ketchup as well, some salt and pepper, and a little bit of dry mustard powder.
Okay.
And then just a pinch of cloves. So as you can see, this is just, blended together. We've lined a muffin tin with some parchment liners, which is great for cleanup. And I'm using a 1/4 cup cookie scoop. Okay, one more. So you're gonna get about 9 to 10, just depending on what size scoop that you use.
Right.
So in the oven on 375, cook them for about 30 minutes. With ground pork, any kind of ground meat, you want to make sure that it's cooked to well done.
Fantastic. So there they are, apple and oat pork bites, so delicious.